Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to walk you through the main wiring details that you'll need if you are installing a radio, an alarm system, or an aftermarket light like underglow, ambient light, anything like that on a 2022 Honda Civic and up. Let's break it down into sections at a time. Let's talk about the radio first. If you want to install a radio, these are the wires that you might need. Radio 12 volts, which is the power. It's going to be a red or pink. It's going to be on the right radio, on top of the dash, or behind the HVAC controls on a 24-pin plug, pin number 13. Radio ground is going to be brown. Radio ignition is going to be yellow or violet. Factory amp turn on is going to be a green. Wire. Power antenna is going to be black. Left front speaker is going to be light blue, light green, light blue. Right front speaker gray and violet. Left rear speaker blue, white. Right rear speaker yellow, brown. Left front speaker with amp light green, light blue. That's going to be on the amplifier above passenger kick on a 26-pin plug. And then you have right front speaker with amp, gray, violet. Left front tweeter with amp, yellow, green. Right front tweeter, light green, pink. Left rear speaker, pink, light green. Right rear speaker with amp, gray, light blue. Left rear surround, violet, pink. Right rear surround, red, green. Center channel with amp, blue, white. Subwoofer with amp, white, red. And rear view camera video is going to be white, red. It's going to be on the radio on top of the dash on a 32-pin plug. And if you want to install a remote start or a security alarm, you might need 12 volts, which is going to be a red wire on VCM, dash fuse box. Behind the dash fuse box on a VCM, it's going to be a 66-pin plug. It's going to pin number 1. Second 12 volt, yellow on the dash fuse. A green plug. Ground on the chassis. Starter kill, black, white, or red below the PCM in engine compartment, front driver's side. Starter, white, behind the dash fuse box. Ignition, violet, behind the dash fuse box. Accessory, gray. Second accessory, green. PTS1, yellow on the VCM. Canbus, high, tan, behind the dash fuse box on white 66 pin plug, pin number 55. Canbus low, violet. Same plug, pin number 54. Canbus high 2, pink. Same plug, pin 57. Canbus low 2, blue. Same plug, pin 56. Canbus high 3, light blue. OBD data link connector, gray 16-pin plug, pin number 6. Canbus low 3, yellow. Same plug, pin number 14. OBD 12 volt, red. On the OBD link connector, gray 16-pin plug, pin number 16. OBD ground, black, negative. On same plug, pin number 4. Okay, you might need IMMO data, light blue, BCM behind the dashboard. On the white 66 pin plug, pin number 33. Antenna, light blue, light green, engine start stop switch. Antenna number 2, blue, light green on BCM behind dash fuse. You might need power locks. Okay, let's go to power locks. Power lock 2, black if needed. BCM dash fuse box, blue 66 pin plug, pin number 64. Power unlock 2, violet. Passenger doors if needed. Or behind BCM behind fuse box, blue 66 pin plug, pin number 63. Power unlock driver door, red if needed. BCM behind dash fuse. Okay, factory alarm arm, violet is negative. Power window master switch, 37 pin plug, pin number 3. Factory alarm disarm, red. Double pulse, negative. Power lock master switch, 37 pin plug, pin number 4. Okay, lock detection, yellow, negative. Power window master switch. Unlock detection, light blue, double, negative, double pulse. Parking light, blue to light violet blue, or yellow, right rear, light blue to light violet yellow, or yellow, right rear. Above kick panel, 8 pin plug, pin number 4 for left rear, and pin number 8 for right rear. Parking lights, negative, gray. BCM behind the dash fuse. Parking light, negative, gray, alternate location. Headlight switch, 12 pin plug, pin number 10. Hazard is green, BCM behind dash fuse. Hazard number 2, green, hazard warning switch. Turn signal left, gray for left front, light blue for left rear. BCM behind dash fuse. Turn signal right, tan for right front, green for right rear. BCM dash fuse box. Headlight, tan on the BCM. Headlight 2, tan. Alternate location, headlight switch. Auto light, pink. BCM behind the fuse. Auto light 2, pink. Headlight switch, negative. Reverse light, light green. BCM. Reverse light 2, light green alternate. Ready on top of the dash. And left front door trigger, green. BCM. Light front door trigger, tan, which they're negative. Left rear door trigger, brown, negative. Right rear door trigger, pink. Dome light, brown on the BCM. Hatch pin, trunk, blue, negative on the BCM. Hood pin, light violet. Hood light switch. Hood pin number 2, blue. Relay control module under hood fuse box. Trunk hatch release, light blue, BCM. Trunk hatch release 2, light green, power windows master. Trunk release motor. Tachometer, light violet, white for the 2.0 liters. Camshaft position sensor, engine driver side front. Tachometer number 2, white, for the 1.5 liters. Same position. Clutch metal, pink, negative, BCM. And I think that'll be all. Oh, the horn trigger, tan, on the right of fuse box. horn trigger number 210 on the horn switch clock spring. Horn factory alarm green on the relay control module. That's all you need, but always remember to verify with a voltmeter before tapping any wires, any use fuses, solder, or proper connectors, and double check polarity. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe and share for more. Thank you guys.